In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag in Evernote. Organizing your notes efficiently is crucial for productivity, and using tags in Evernote can significantly enhance your ability to find and group similar ideas or information quickly. So, let's get started on making your note-taking more effective. To begin, you'll want to open the note that you wish to tag. This can be any note in your collection, perhaps something from a recent meeting, a shopping list, or your latest creative writing piece. Once your note is open and visible on your screen, direct your attention to the bottom of the note. Here, you'll notice a few icons, and among them is the Add Tag button. A tag icon with a plus sign, just waiting to be clicked. Clicking this button will allow you to either use an existing tag or create a completely new one. If you have previously used tags, start typing the name of the tag you're thinking of. Evernote will helpfully display any matches from your existing tag list, making it simple to select the one that suits your note best. This is particularly handy if you have a consistent tagging system already in place, as it ensures continuity and aids in better organization. On the other hand, if you need a new tag, perhaps to categorize a fresh project or idea, type the desired tag name that reflects your new topic or theme. Once you finish typing, simply press Enter to create it. This new tag will now be part of your Evernote system, available for future use across your entire collection. Remember, creating specific and descriptive tags can greatly enhance your note retrieval process later, making your Evernote experience seamless and efficient. When adding tags, try to think about keywords that best describe the content or purpose of your note. This thoughtfulness ensures that retrieving your notes in the future will be both faster and easier. You can add multiple tags to a single note to cover various aspects or categories it belongs to, which broadens your organization strategy and enables more flexible searching. Tags act like miniature organization assistants, ready to categorize and cross-reference your notes at a moment's notice. Becoming savvy with tagging not only saves time, but also turns Evernote into a more powerful tool, bridging the gap between capturing ideas and acting on them. That's all you need to know about tagging in Evernote. I hope this guide helps you keep your notes organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on organizing your digital life.